For the purpose of the video, I'm going to do this one-handed, but I'm going to show you what I do to mix the Sackrete up. Probably the best way to do it. You don't have to bring water over to the hole or do anything. So I'm setting all these. And the ledge is right here, so as soon as I open this, some of this is going to break off. What I usually do is I'll hold the hose in this hand and spray this, and I'll keep edging the bag forward as the mix comes out. But if you've ever mixed a couple bags of Sackrete, you know you have to turn it a million times. It doesn't saturate well. So I'm going to show you a little trick today on how I do this. So I have this truck set up to put all the bags over here. I have a little eye hook right there where I put this hose. So if you want to take a look at the setup, that's what it looks like. I drop the bags off of the pallet onto the bed, and then I come over here and I open up this ledge so it has a clean surface to drop out of. Then I take the hose and I put it on spray like this. And so what you're going to see happen is you're going to see this, it's mixing it up. It mixes it up as it comes out of there. And edge your bag forward, some more will start to spill out. And just keep doing this as you move along. If you feel like you're going to get too much water in there, just dump some more out. But as the bag edges itself out, you'll see it just mixes it up. So edge it on over, and eventually this whole thing's going to fall over because I only have one hand to use right now. But we'll cut the water for right now. Stick this back over here. I'll just dump this out. Put all my empty bags over here. Give this just a little extra dousing down. That's probably a pretty good mix right there. Now, you can see that a bunch of this is already mixed. By the time you mix all this powder in, you're going to end up with the perfect mix. But the whole point is you don't have to sit here and dig down to the bottom of dry sacks over and over. I'll add another bag to this and do 3. And you can fine tune how much water you have in your mix. So here's the next bag getting ready to drop down, just to show you the sequence. So boom, drop it down, and the next one's ready to go. Just push your wheelbarrow over there and it's already mixed up. Just go ahead and throw it in the hole. You can see I'm moving right along. Anyway, just wanted to give you a tip on Sackrete, how to mix it up, how to make it go quick. It's the best way I found out how to do it over the years.